We're gonna watch Caleb do tires now. We watched Jude do tires. What's up?
I can pause the music. See,
I don't think they can hear it back here, do they?
They can most definitely hear it, but if we keep talking loud enough, by the time I pause it, we'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't think they care about the musical part. I think they care about the words. It's like, hey, bad man, Jimmy crack corn and I don't care.
No, it's because it's
Because the music part could be anybody's music.
Yeah, but it's anything that's not royalty free music, YouTube will demonetize.
Yeah.
This is nice and clean.
Wow, isn't that amazing?
Clean up a first one too, sorry. Under the assumption it'd be good. These tires, no direction, no inside outside, and they're nice. So just throw them right off.
You know, I really don't mind doing tires. I would do tires all day long.
I would do tires all day long. The valve stem on this side, so you don't break
So
it.
you don't break the tire monitor, right? Caleb's doing it with no lube, which is fine.
Back.
That's it. Air it up, and then I'll move it over to the balancing section.
Just like that.
Where the rubber meets the road. Thanks for watching.